CJ Compton here. We have a train coming. Check it out. Roll it. This is gonna be good. Back up, run. Oh no. Oh no, it's gonna hit us. Oh no. If it got one pedestrian, gate light burned out. And these people are not me. I'm the one that is videoing this. Watch him back down the signal. There it goes. I tried to zoom it up, but couldn't. Since there were two of them. I just got this hat today.
From Chesterton?
Yes. Not really.
Zach.
Oh, you're Zach? I didn't recognize you at first.
Yeah. Did you go to G3 for Big Boy?
I tried to go there, but it was
Too many people?
it was blocked off.
Oh. When did you try to go? Just now?
About a few minutes ago.
They were turning people around?
No, there was a fence, fenced off.
Really? The people were turning around?
Yes.
What was the time?
Well, ignore the language. That was not me. Anyway, Anyway, before we roll it, let's go over here. That was not me who said that bad word. So just don't remove this video, YouTube. Before we roll it, let's go over here and see if we have a train meet. I couldn't believe that train had 2 N-train DBUs. Right there, folks. I hear one coming, so... Let's see here. Nothing that way. Nothing that way. And... And that car has been honking for about 10 minutes. Anyway, and nothing this way. There's probably something around the corner, but... I think they are starting to clean up this event. On this Sunday, September 8th of 2024, in the Central Time Zone, from CJ Compton on YouTube. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give my videos a thumbs up. That will help my channel a lot. I don't know how that got there. Let's look at the signals on the video. We got red signals. They're back on there again.
No, one of the 2 that were on the ties, they were on foundation for the...
Is that what the on the railroad truck was doing?
No. He was just going through. I think it was just ballast.
Oh. See here, nothing that way, and nothing this way. Some people are trespassing right now at the moment. But in the meantime, there's nothing down there either. Alright, I guess that's it, so let's roll it.